to delete messages in Chai AI. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete your message in your Chai AI. So deleting message in Chai AI or platform for interacting with AI bot. So typically it involves a few simple steps. However, as this platform might update its feature, the exact process could vary upon that. So you have to check if there is any update available on your Chai AI. You have to go to your Play Store and search for the Chai AI here, and you have to update up your app. And after that, you have to open up the Chai AI app on your mobile device here. Just go and open up your Chai AI app. So once you are here, you have to go to the section where your chat history or conversation are listed. Just go and tap on the chat here. So you have to choose the tab and you have to choose the chat, tab on or select that chat conversation that contain the message you want to delete. And if you want to delete the individual message, you have to swipe or type here and you can see the delete option and you can successfully delete your message here. So if you want to delete the all message, just go for the delete all and the chat will be deleted. So here you can see that with the help of the simple step, you can delete messages in the Chai AI. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you. That's it for today. If you